Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at it with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1118 in a row. As you know, we're using Cash App for this experiment. If you aren't familiar with this app, you can sign up with the link down in the description and get $5 for free. There's also hundreds of tutorials and experiments on my channel. So Bitcoin up 9% today, up to $39,453. Pretty crazy ride over the past week, down about 1.6%. You can see we're kind of right back to where we were on Wednesday. We had a crazy drop here, down at least 10% to below 35,000. Now we're bounced right back up to where we were. So man, markets are crazy, especially with all of the Russia news. Hard to keep track of everything, but we just keep dollar cost averaging. And it's a great strategy in situations like this where you have no idea how things will play out. Up 3% over the past month and down 15% over the past 365 days. So pretty much going sideways there on the year, taking a look at that chart. But it's all good, a good time to accumulate Bitcoin. It could go down much further. It could just go sideways from here for a while. There's no way for me to tell with certainty, so that's why we just keep buying $1 a day for this experiment. It's a low stress, proven method. So current balance of Bitcoin is $3,690. Let's scroll down here and see my Bitcoin owned is 0.093555636. Slowly working our way to that 0.1 Bitcoin. That'll be a dope milestone to reach. Let's take a look at some news here. Bitcoin whales fuel BTC price comeback as stocks brush off Russia, Ukraine. Bitcoin investors buy their dip, gaining 16% in less than 24 hours. And we're going to talk more about that in a second with this chart over here. But let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. I'm going to tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my face. It's going to give us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, we've purchased $1 of Bitcoin, added one more dollar to our balance. We can go ahead and take a look at the Bitcoin owned here, 0.0935892, a little bit more. And now let's go ahead and do the math on this. $3,698 divided by 1,118 days equals a 3.3x on my investment. So what this means, for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $3.30. We can also go like this, $3,698 minus 1,118 days equals $2,580. So I'm currently up $2,580 on this experiment just from purchasing $1 of Bitcoin every day. So doing very well there. I'm very happy with these results and looking forward to continuing on with this experiment. So over here we have a chart. This is the Russian ruble. It's like the Russian dollar compared to the US dollar. So we can see since like 1996, this was over 20 cents and is currently worth about 1 cent. So it's down over 95% in the past 25 years. And that's just one chart that I wanted to talk about real quick. If you take a look at a lot of the dollars from these various countries, a lot of them look similar. You know, they're just kind of getting wrecked. They're not stable. They're losing all of their value. And that makes me more bullish on Bitcoin as a currency because all of these countries need something more stable, more secure, and something that's like a network that's built, that's proven. And Bitcoin is kind of one of the only go-to things for that at this moment. I see other countries continue to adopt Bitcoin. The only alternative right now is like the US dollar, which is considered the standard, but they just print more and more, and it's a joke. So the US dollar is losing value as well, and it's not backed by anything. It's backed by belief, and I just don't believe in it that much when they can keep printing as much of it as they want. But that's up to you to make your own decisions on that. But if you're not like dollar cost averaging Bitcoin or hedging some way against the US dollar or some of these other dollars, I don't know what you're doing, man. You might not make it. So take a look at this experiment and things like it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.